Hi guys and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of iPhone 13 Pro Max Edition with 256GB capacity. You will not see any plastic anymore from their box, and it's their way of helping to reduce plastic waste. And it's nice because who care about the box? I mean, it's just a box. What's important is the phone inside. The phone is now being delivered and it will have another box, so it's still protected, no need for plastic. And if you will buy it in any store, you will still have another paper bag or plastic bag to protect your phone, so no need for a plastic. Let's start by opening this box. So there's a tab here, and this one also at the bottom. You see the color is gold, and okay, all right, nothing's inside. Now it's just a phone. You will not receive any headphone or charger, just this lightning cable with the USB-C at the end. What's inside is also this small this user guides, and now they're just giving one sticker. And again, this is to minimize the waste. And yeah, that's it. What's inside the box. So this is stainless steel compared to other iPhone 13, which is aluminum. I mean, this is durable compared to aluminum. Now they don't use plastic, they use paper as a screen initial protection. Still nice. Paper are recyclable, but I think these have some plastic on it. Oh yeah, they have this. Just make it look like it's a paper at a glance, but if you look underneath, there's still a plastic here. So yep. All right, this is my wife's phone. Her old phone, iPhone 11, is already done with the financing, fully paid already for after 2 years. So this has 6.7 screen display, and this one have 6.1. It might be bigger for her hand, moving from 6.1 to 6.7. But if you use big phone every day, you'll get used to it, and then you will get the benefit of having a big screen if you're watching a movie or maybe doing something that you need a big screen. And since this is big, this has a bigger battery capacity. This one has telephoto, and this one is just wide and ultra wide. So this one, since this has a telephoto camera, this can do 6 times optical zoom range. So optical means using the mechanical part of the camera. This one is already capable of 5G network. The chips are faster now. It's A15 Bionic chip here, and this is A13. This one have 20 hours of video playback, and while this one has 17 hours video playback only. So now this is compatible with MagSafe accessories and wireless charging. So this is a new technology included, the MagSafe, where you will put your magnetic charger at the back. But still, both of them are capable of wireless charging. This one, iPhone 11, is only have the max of 120GB capacity that you can have, while the Pro Max you can have 1TB, of course, with additional premium to pay. This can only have 625 nits max brightness, while iPhone 13 Pro Max have 1000 nits max brightness, which is useful when using it outside or a sunny day. This is of course heavier. Looking at the size and the material used is stainless steel. So this is 238 grams, while this is 194 grams only. Very light, but of course still not that much noticeable because it's like few ounces difference, only like 2 or 44 grams. They are still rated IP68, and the maximum This one has a 6 meters up to 30 minutes maximum depth, and the old one has 2 meters only. The wide camera has 1.5 for the iPhone Pro Max, while the iPhone 11 have 1.8 aperture, and the ultra wide have 1.8, while here it's 2.4. And all of them have night mode. iPhone 13 Pro Max have LiDAR scanner. LiDAR is light detection and ranging. So you can use the LiDAR for let's say measurement of some space. If you have to buy sofa and you're already in a supermarket or appliance store, you don't know the measurement of the certain space, they can use this and measure and then send it to you with a picture, and you have the idea of the measurement of the sofa before you buy it. You don't have to go back and forth or making sure that it fits. Oh, again, the difference here when it regards to camera is it's a cinematic mode feature of the camera where you're doing a video recording, so it's very nice. And like focusing the other subject or who's talking, and then it will focus back on the another subject if he's the one who's talking, or just press in the monitor who you want to focus. And I know since this is 2-year-old phone, there's noticeable changes with the quality of the camera. Let's turn this on and do the setup. Okay, power on, down, of course. They will give you a greeting, hello, and then you have to choose the language, English, and then region, Canada. Let's set up, and then let's go for our network. The next, so it says here it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Okay, so the next is just the data and privacy. Let's continue. Let's set this up later because this is not my phone, this is my wife's phone. And then I will just input a new password for now. Okay, password accepted. So let's say don't transfer apps and data, let's do it later. Just input your password or whatever, and then it will update. And then you can see here it's still updating. So it says here keep your iPhone up to date. Next is iMessage and FaceTime setup. I'll do it now. Enable it for now. And then with the Siri, I'll say continue.
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
I think this is
You can change it later in settings. I'm Siri.
Next, that's fine. And then say hi Siri. Yeah, there's a lot of this, but yeah, let's do setup later. And then it says here ask Siri, press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Okay, there's a button at the side that you can use, and just continue. Improve Siri and dictation, so you can do recordings of your voice, and we'll do it later. These are the reviews and summaries of how you use your phone. iPhone analytics, don't share, and you can change it later if you want. And there's this option of dark and light appearance. I guess let's go first with the default one. And then display zoom, let's see, we choose standard first. We are now here at the welcome to iPhone screen. Swipe up. For this, I don't have much of experience because I'm more into Android. What's going on? So allow camera to use your location. Maybe don't allow. Let's set this up later. So you can see here they have this time lapse, the slow-mo, they have this cinematic video, then panoramic. But still I will include the shot here in the vlog, comparing the usage of camera from iPhone 11 and 13. Again, this is how it looks. Stainless steel, and you can see it's a fingerprint magnet for the stainless steel, but it's durable. And then having a ceramic shield, still a Gorilla Glass, but they call it a ceramic shield, I think, because every year Corning or the Gorilla Glass or whoever's making the glass for phone have some research and development to make the product more durable for phone. Still, this is a glass, whatever they want to call it, still a glass, and there's a chance of this breaking or get damaged, so you just always have to protect your gadgets, like put the screen protector in a case. And since this has a good, nice color, it's nice to have a transparent case for this one. And yep, see, it's already 4:20 a.m. and yep, with the new, comparing to the edge of, it's like a boxy type phone now. Way back to iPhone 4 and 5, they don't follow the trend of having a smooth edge now. Having this kind of edge is like making it more comfortable, not really comfortable, that you know that it's safe to hold, minimizing the risk of slipping in your hand. And anyway, you will have to put case here and still protect your phone if you drop it, of course, with a high quality case. For now, that's it for this unboxing of the phone. Not much of the usage, some of differentiating with iPhone 11 and 13. We are here at Falcon Lake campsite or resort. And yep, this is a ski resort. This is Falcon Lake ski slopes. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.